Cue the spotlight on the Xiaomi 14 smartphone, making its global debut on February 25, 2024. This premium flagship device is a tech lover's dream, boasting a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, a 6.36-inch 120Hz LTPO AMOLED display, and a Leica-tuned triple rear camera system. Feel the thrill of instant power with 90W hypercharge and 50W wireless charging. The Xiaomi 14 is no slouch in the memory department either, with 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of UFS 4.0 storage. Available in black, jade green, and white, this smartphone is a steal at €999, equivalent to around Rs 89,700. India, you're next. Xiaomi has teased its partnership with Leica, and the phone is expected to be priced below Rs 75,000. Bank offers could make it even more affordable. To delve deeper into the Xiaomi 14, visit the official website or browse through reviews and news articles that cover its features and performance. Here's to making an informed choice.